who are in this hobby are really frugal, and they're just like savers by nature, and they don't like to go out and spend the points. But it's not like money. You don't save these points until retirement or something. You want to earn the points, know how you're going to use them, and then know how to get more points. If you are a very beginner, like this is the first you've ever heard about this, the most popular beginner card these days is the Chase Sapphire Preferred. And as of yesterday or 2 days ago, March 21st, they just increased the sign-up bonus to 80,000 points instead of 60,000 points. That's worth more than $1,000 in travel credit. So Chase Sapphire Preferred is one of the most popular ones for beginners these days. We always recommend start with your Chase cards instead of starting with American Express or another family like that, because of something called the 5/24 rule, which says that if you have already opened 5 or more accounts with any carriers in the last 5 years, Chase is just going to reject you if you apply with a Chase card. That's why it's good to get the Chase cards out of the way first, and then you can move on to American Express that doesn't have this rule. You can move on to Citi cards, Bank of America, something else like that.
Good advice. I have a love and hate relationship with Chase. I do the trade line hunting thing where I kind of piggyback authorized users on my cards. People want to learn more about it, go to my SimplePassiveCashflow.com/trade line. I have a little eCourse on that, but Chase canceled all my cards, so I have none of them. Phenomenal rewards credit cards. Great place to start there.
Why did they cut off all of your lines? Too many authorized users?
Yeah, it was getting a little ridiculous. I was turning people a lot quicker than I do these days. And I don't know, I applaud them. It's good that you see a company actually has checks to make sure that there's no weird activities such as mine. So I think it's good business. I don't know, it sucks for me, but I applaud Chase for doing that. It shows that they have their S together.
How many points did you lose when they shut you down?
I think at the time, I think I lost my Southwest points, 200,000 points, and which goes to show, right? Savers are losers, just like people with all this equity in their house or the bank.
There is a strategy called churn and burn or earn and burn, where you're earning points really quickly, and then you want to use them quickly as well. You don't just want a whole bunch of points sitting there in your account not being used, because a lot of airlines will devalue their awards programs. And so if you just have hundreds of thousands of points sitting there and you're thinking, okay, like around the world trip or something is going to cost 200,000 points. And then the next year they're like, oh, now it costs 250,000 points, and your points were just sitting there and never used.
This website offers very general information concerning real estate for investment purposes. Every investor's situation is unique. Always seek the services of licensed third-party appraisers and inspectors to verify the value and condition of any property you intend to purchase. Use the services of professional title and escrow companies and licensed tax, investment, and/or legal advisor before relying on any information contained herein. Information is not guaranteed, as in every investment there is risk. The content found here is just my opinion, and things change, and I reserve the right to change my mind. Above all else, do your own analysis and think for yourself, because in the end, you are the only person who is going to look out for your best interests.